I have the Xiaomi Watch S3, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to set up and use gestures. So go to settings, swipe up and tap on the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to quick gestures. So tap on that, and the first thing you want to do to be able to use gestures is to enable gestures. So tap on that, then it's going to tell you also turn on raise to wake as well. So just go ahead and tap on that. And that's going to turn on gestures and the raise to wake feature together. Now, in the settings area, there are two gestures. So you have the rotate wrist gesture and the shake wrist gesture. So let's set up the rotate wrist gesture. So you can tap on that, and that's what the rotate wrist gesture looks like. So now let's assign it something. So for instance, you can assign it to open weather. Okay, you can assign it to anything you want. Maybe ignore calls, reject incoming calls, take photos, open voice. This one will take photos when you have the camera on the phone open, right? So open voice recorder, stuff like that. So let's do something we can actually see. Let's set it to open the weather app. So now that's set up. Let's go all the way back to the watch face. I'm gonna put the watch on my wrist, and then now to rotate wrist, you're just gonna rotate the wrist 90 degrees. Just rotate it like this and bring it back, but you have to do it quickly. Okay, so let's try rotate wrist, and there you go, it opens the weather app. So let's try that again, 90 degrees, and it opens the weather app once again. So that's basically how to set the rotate wrist gesture. Now let's look at the other gesture called let's go back to that page. So settings, quick gestures, and then let's look at the shake wrist gesture. So let's set that one up. So tap on next. Well, you have to try it first. So let me just put the watch back on. And so for this one, you're gonna have to shake the wrist by pushing your hand away from your body and bringing it back twice. So once and twice, quickly. Okay, so let's try it. So it says great. Try one more time. Great job, you got it. Okay, so now when you scroll after getting it right, you can now scroll and assign it something. So you can take a photo with that. So let's try taking photos. So I'm just gonna open the camera. Let's open the camera up, front facing camera, and let's do this. Okay, so let's go to the watch face and then shake twice. Well, it doesn't seem to be working. Let me go back to that settings page and see what's up. So quick gestures, let's assign it to something different. Let's assign it to open voice assistant. All right, so once you do that, shake twice, and as you can see, it attempts to open the voice assistant. So basically that's how to set up the quick gestures on your Xiaomi Watch S3. Okay, then of course, if you want to turn them off, you can always go back to that settings page, scroll to quick gestures, and you can disable them by turning them off. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.